Once you are on your Google document, you can just start typing. Whatever. Imagine you've already written your report or your essay or whatever you need to write. You need to go to the add-ons tab. Maybe in Spanish it's something like complementos, probably. So you go to add-ons, get add-ons, because you're going to add something to your Google Drive. In this case, we're going to add something called Kaizena. It has to do with voice comments. We're going to give you voice feedback. So you add it. You will have to allow Kaizena to use your account and read things. Okay. And you start working. So now it's added. What's going to happen with Kaizena for both teachers and students, once you open Kaizena from your add-ons tab, what you will find is here on the right-hand side of the screen, you will find another column. And for example, if you want to select part of your writing, or if teachers want to select a part of your writing, we could just type a text message. Post that. That would be a standard comment. However, we could add something extra. We could add a voice message. This is a good choice of words. Congratulations. And then when you're just reading it, you will see that there's a comment here, so you could listen to it. This is a good choice of words. Congratulations. So that way, both your teachers and you as students will be able to give feedback to one another. And we do think, we do believe it's very interesting for us not just to give you a piece of paper with lots of red ink and comments students tend not to read. Once you have finished writing your writing task, when you decide it's time to submit your assignment, you go back to Google Classroom with the document you have uploaded, either added from your Google Drive or created, and you press Hand In. So you submit your work, you hand it in. That way, your teachers will know that you have finished and it's time for us as teachers to mark and revise your work.